Check.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? So it's Keith here again at Coding Blind Tech, and this is going to be the start of a series, a small series, where we look at how to create, read, write to, and delete directories and files using Python. So we'll be using Python 3.11, and we'll be using NVDA Screen Reader. I'm using Visual Studio Code as my code editor, and we will be executing the Python script from command prompt on Windows. All right, so let's get started.
Main.py dash.
So in this first video, we're just going to look at how to create a new directory, how to remove that directory, and how to remove the directory if it has files inside of it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do
Blank. Blank.
is we got to write some code. So we want to import the OS library, which is built into Python. So we're going to import
Suggest list.
space
Circle
OS.
unknown. Circle.
All right. So I'm going to press enter a couple times, and now we want to create a variable, and it is going to be the directory name, and that's going to be a string. So we're going to say directory
Circle main.
underscore name
Name.
space equals space
Suggest
quote
list.
my
My.
underscore directory quote.
Directory.
All right.
Blank. Directory line name equals quote my line directory quote.
All right. I can't spell. No, I'm just kidding. I just mistyped
D.
the variable name. So I'm going to press home to go to beginning of line, and then control shift right arrow.
Directory line name selected.
Then I'm just going to hold down. I'm going to let go of the control key. I'm still holding the shift key. I'm going to press left arrow one time.
Space unselected.
All right. And then we're just going to retype this and to correct it. So
D. Main.py. Circle main. Circle main.
Underscore name. All right. Up arrow.
Blank.
Down arrow.
Directory line name equals quote my line directory quote.
There we go. So now we have our directory name stored in a variable.
Line feed.
So I'm going to go to the end of this line and press enter 2 times. And now we are going to actually create this directory. Now, before we create the directory, we're going to want to make sure that the directory does not exist. Because if it does not exist, we want to create it. If it does exist, we don't want to do anything. All right, so we can say if
Suggest list. Main.py editor. Not main.py editor has autocomplete multi-line if
and
not.
then os dot
List item. Circle main.
path dot
H.
exists with an S, and then left
STS.
parenthesis,
Path colon.
then our directory
2.
name,
Main.py. Line feed. Right paren. Line feed.
and then if you
Error.
get to the end of that line and type a colon. Now, VS Code has already finished my parentheses. That's why I didn't have to do the closing parentheses. So now, after our colon, we're going to press enter.
4 space.
All right, so now we're indented 4 spaces. And so if our directory does not exist, we're going to want to make it. So to make a directory, we're going to do os
Circle main dot main suggest list.
mkdir and then parentheses.
Path colon. Any path comma. Grab.
Directory name.
Main.py editor has auto.
All right.
No intent if not o. 4 space os dot.
So if this directory does not exist, it's going to create our directory. Otherwise, we just keep on going down the code.
No intent blank.
Okay. So now to prove to you that this is going to create our directory, I'm going to control S, and then we're going to run this script. So I'm going to move over to the command prompt.
OBS 3, code column 3, command prompt, command prompt.
Okay, so over here, I'm just going to CLS and press enter.
Backslash dot.
That's going to clear my screen. Then we're going to do an apt echo space off to turn off the echo of the prompt. And then now we're going to do Python space main.py and press enter. All right, we don't get any feedback, but the way we can prove that it worked is to go over to
main.py dash code dash Visual Studio Code main.py
the VS Code and do Control Shift E.
Files Explorer.
This will open up our File Explorer.
My line directory not selected collapsed 1.
There's my underscore directory and it is collapsed. All right, so that's how you create a directory.
Command prompt. List. No intent blank. Blank. 4 space os. No intent blank.
Let's go down here. And we're going to delete this directory. So there's two ways you can delete it. You can use os.rmdir parentheses and then the directory name. Now you can only use that if the directory is empty. We're going to use shutil, which is a built-in package inside of Python that will allow us to do a little bit more with directories and files. I'll show you more about files later on. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to delete it with rmdir because it's an empty directory.
Blank. Space blank.
So
Line feed. Space.
we're just going to do a comment. So $, so shift 3 space delete
Delete.
empty
Empty.
directory. Press enter.
Directory.
And then now we're going to type os
Suggest list.
dot
Suggest list. Green green
rmdir left
R.
parenthesis
Half colon.
and then
List item. Directory line name comma.
name.
Main.py editor.
Now we want to make sure that it exists before we try to remove it, right? Because it will throw an error if it doesn't exist. So we actually want to go to the home or go to the beginning of this line.
Oh.
So I do that with home, and then I'm going to hold down shift and press end.
os.reamdir left paren. Directory line name right
Copy
paren.
to the end
Selected.
of the line. Now while still holding shift, I'm going to hit left arrow.
Right paren unselected. Right paren selected.
And then I'm going to hit right arrow to make sure that right parenthesis is selected. So alright, so now what we want to do is Control X.
Unselected.
Alright, and then we're going to do if
Main.py editor has autocomplete multi-line. Suggest list. H.
Exists
Exist.
with an S.
S.
Parenthesis directory. So
Circle
basically
main.py editor has line feed. Right paren. Line feed.
colon at the very end of the line. Press enter.
4 space.
And then we indent 4 spaces. And now we want to say we're going to paste.
No indent. 4 space os.reamdir left paren. Directory. No indent if os.path.
And the only difference between this and up top is up top, we want to know if it does not exist. And right here, we want to make sure it does exist before we try to delete it. All right, so let's save this. And now we're going to run it.
Command prompt. Command prompt. No indent Python main.py.
Command prompt, press up arrow and press enter. All right, we're going to come over here, and to prove that
Main.py
it
dash
deleted it, we're going to go to VS Code and do Shift Control E.
Files Explorer tree view.
And
Top.
the only thing we have in here is main.py.
Top.
Because it's not showing me the other files, so we're good to go.
Command prompt. No indent. Python main.py. Main.py dash code. Main.py dash code.
We can actually look at the directory
OBS 3.
in our file
Code column
explorer.
4404. Code. Date mod. Main.py 1 of 1.
The only thing we see here is main.py.
Main.py dash code. Command prompt column.
Okay, so the way that you would
Code row. Main.py dash code dash visuals.
this if there was a file or files inside of that directory is we would have to import shutil. So if we go to the top of our file
List. List item.
and then go to the end of the line after import OS.
Import OS. Line feed.
And then press enter. And then import, start typing import
Port.
space
Main.py editor has auto. Suggest list. Suggest list.
SHUTIL.
Suggest list. Main.
Okay.
Blank. 4 space os dot. No indent blank.
Now down here at the bottom,
Blank. 4 no indent if os dot path dot
we're
exist.
actually we're gonna select. So I'm gonna press home to get to the beginning of the line of our condition to check if the directory exists before we delete it. Now what I'm gonna do is down arrow.
4 space os dot reamdir left.
And then this os.rmdir.
O.
I'm going to go to the beginning of this O, and I'm just going to hold down Control and then press slash. That will comment it out.
No indent. 4 space number os dot.
So now what we're going to do is go to the end of this line.
Line feed.
Press enter. And we're actually going to do shutil. So SHUTIL.
Till.
Dot.
Suggest list. Line. Main. Error. Number. Shutil dot. S. Shutil dot.
So it's SHUTIL
Till.
dot.
Suggest list.
RM tree. So RMTREE.
Rubric.
Left
E.
parenthesis
Path.
and the directory.
Main.py. Number. Shutil dot rubric left paren. Directory line name right paren.
So that's shutil dot rm tree. So RMTREE, and then
Line
left
feed.
parenthesis, the directory name, right parenthesis.
Number O. Shutil dot.
All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to save this, and we're going to comment this shuttle line out
S.
for now,
Space. S.
just because we want to see that directory get created. We're going to save.
Command prompt.
In our command prompt, we're going to run this script
At
again.
echo off. CLS. At echo off. Python main.py. File quote C colon backslash U.
All right.
Bottom. No indent indentation error colon.
Oh, we got an
10.
indentation error. Let's go fix that.
Indentation error colon. Expected an indented block after tick if tick statement on line 10.
Line 10.
Main.py.
So to go to a specific line, we could do Control G
Current line colon.
and then
12. Go to line 10 dot.
press
10.
enter.
If os dot path.
All right, we're going to up arrow,
Number delete empty
then
directory.
down arrow.
If os dot path dot exists left paren. Directory line name right. 4 space number O.
Oh, this is because we have a condition, but we don't have anything executing inside of this condition. It doesn't like that, so we're actually going to just,
Number shelter. No indent blank. 4 space.
we're going to type,
Line feed.
we're going to go to the end of this line, press enter, and we're going to type pass.
Path. S. Number shelter. Pass.
All right, press Control S to save.
Command prompt.
Now come back over to command prompt, up arrow,
No indent Python main
and
dot py.
press enter. All right, so now to check that the directory was created,
Main.py. Code column.
come over here to the File Explorer, the code directory.
My line directory 1 of 2.
All right, there's my underscore directory.
Command prompt row 1. Main.py.
All right, now we want to uncomment the shuttle.remove tree or RM tree,
Number pass. Number shelter dot.
and
pass.
we're going to remove this pass.
Line feed. P. Pass selected. S.
That's gone.
Number blank. Line feed. Selected. Space.
Get rid of that indentation.
Line feed.
A new line. And so I'm just backspacing.
Number O. Number shelter dot left.
And then now we're going to uncomment this line by just doing Control //
Number O. Shelter dot left.
and then we're going to save, Control S, and then now run the script again.
List item code. Main.py. Command prompt. No indent Python main.py.
Enter. And then check our directory.
Main.py dash code. Code column. Code. Selected. Date mod. Main.py 1 of 1.
All right, and you see it's gone. So, all right, and then that is how we create a directory and then remove directory in Python. In the next video, I'm actually going to show you how to create files and remove those files. So, all right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Command prompt. Main.py. OBS 30. OBS.